Alright, so as you can see here, we've got a circle theorem question, and it's asking us to prove that y is equal to 3x. So we're going to start off by figuring out that this is the tangent, right? So this line is the tangent. And we know that using the alternate segment theorem, we know that the 4x over here, it says 4x is going to be equal to angle CED. Yeah, because that's how alternate segment theorems work. So that is also 4x. Now, using angles in an isosceles triangle add up to 180. We know that this angle over here, we know that angle DCE would be equal to 180 minus 4x divided by 2, since it's an isosceles triangle. There you go. That's how we know it's because two sides are equal, so it's an isosceles triangle. So now we're going to start off with the other triangle we see, and triangle ABC. So we know that angles in a triangle add up to 180. So we know that angle ACB must be 180 minus 90 minus x plus y. Right? Right. Well, we also know that opposite angles are equal. So that's why we can also write that opposite angles are equal. Slow writing there. Yeah, so we know that angle... Oh no, that's not right, hold on. Angle ACB is equal to angle DCE. Right, since we know that, we also know that means that angle DCB must equal 180 minus 90 minus x plus y. There we go. Now we're going to move on. Right, so now we're going to move on and make an equation out of this. So angle DCE is equal to 180 minus 90 minus x plus y, which is equal to 180 minus 4x divided by 2, because angle DCE is equal to both of these. Now we're going to do simple algebra. So 180 minus 90 plus x minus y. Alright, so before we continue, I just want to clarify that the reason this is 180 minus 90 plus x minus y is because the minus, when it enters the brackets, it changes all the signs, yeah? So now we have it equal to 180 minus 4x divided by 2. Now this implies we do 180 minus 90, which is 90, and then we bring the 2 over to this side, so we get 2 multiplied by 90 plus x minus y is equal to 180 minus 4x. Now this implies, multiply the 2, so we get 180 plus 2x minus 2y, because the 2 comes into the brackets and it multiplies with everything. Now all of this is equal to, look at me blanking out, 180 minus 4x. This implies, so what we're going to do now is we're going to do some crisscross. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring the 180 from the left hand side to the right hand side. So we're going to start with the left hand side. I'm going to have 2x. I'm going to bring the minus 4x from that side. It's going to turn into plus 4x here. Is equal to, and we're going to bring the 180 from the right hand side to the left hand side to get 180 minus 180. And we're also going to bring to this side the minus 2y, which is going to be plus 2y. So all of this implies 6x is equal to 180. 180 cancels out, equal to 2y. So 3x is equal to y. This implies y is equal to 3x. There you go. Boom, circle that. That's the answer. We've gotten to the answer. We've proven that y is equal to 3x. Whew.